This 2018 Forest River Forester 3051S full wall slide, east-west queen bed is a Class C RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This used Forest River is 31 feet 11 inches in length and features one slide-out, a tan, brown classic neutrals interior, sleep 6, external shower, TV, air conditioning, slide-out, self-contained, skylight, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, full wall slide, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom. This 2018 Forest River Forester 3051S full wall slide, east-west queen bed is built on a Ford E450 chassis and is powered by a Triton engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.